Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. Let me know in the comment section down below how you're actually doing. I really want to know, so let's chat about it. So today's video, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be showing you how to crop a sweatshirt, and I thrifted this Fila sweatshirt brand new with tags from Vinted. It's an online marketplace where people resell their items, and this girl was selling it brand new for $7, and I had to have it. But with this length, it's a no, but with this length, it's a yes. I am ready to lounge, and I love maintaining the original hem because it actually looks like I spent money on this. If you are unaware, the Fila cropped sweatshirts retail from $64 to $180. But since brokenness has entered the chat in my life, I have no money to spend on a cropped sweatshirt. I don't have that much money, so I made it, and I'm going to show you how to do it in minutes. So let's get right into it. So first things first, you're going to mark how long you want your sweatshirt to be. I used a purple pin for this, and with that point in mind, you're going to measure the length of your band at the bottom. Mine is about 2 1/8. Is that 2 1/8, 2 1/4? Oh my God, it's 2 1/4 inches. Math has also left the chat. So from the point you marked, you're going to go up 2 1/4 inches, and this is to make sure you accommodate the band such that your sweatshirt will be the length you want after you're done. So put a new pin in place, get rid of the old pin, and then draw a straight line through the point you pinned. So drawing this straight line really questioned my sanity because it just did not want to be straight. It was a line made for 2020. She just wanted to make my life so problematic, but eventually I thought the line was somewhat straight and worked with it. So now I'm just folding the sweatshirt so that the inside comes out. So you're going to make sure you do this. I know it looks funny, but I promise you it will make sense in a minute. So the idea is to make sure the top of the band aligns with that blue line. That way it seems like your band was originally like this and you did crop this in the dark with no sewing experience whatsoever, and your life is actually in shambles. You want to seem like a profesh. So just go aligning the top of the band with your line. And this is why the line is so important, to just make sure you do a good job. And if your line is straight, this will look flawless. You could resell this to Fila itself for $64, just if you do it right. So I pinned along the band, and I really did take my time with this because I think this is the hardest part of this tutorial, just making sure everything aligns and looks cute and nothing is wonky at all. And you can see once you do the sewing, the band will be completely attached. Just trust me on this. So I pinned all around. I did the same thing for the back. I just flipped over my sweatshirt, and for the back, I will be honest, I kind of finessed it. I didn't do a line, but since I'd already folded the front, it was easier to make sure the back was equal. And now with everything pinned in place, you're going to sew along the pins just to make sure you're sewing everything down, and this will crop your sweatshirt. You will see the magic happen right before your eyes. So moving on to the sewing machine, I decided to actually sew along the first sewing on the band, and this would make it seem like my sweatshirt just had the band and I bought it cropped and I have money and everyone wants to be my friend. In actual life, I have no friends, but no one needs to know that. So I did a basic straight stitch, and this is because my sweatshirt was big enough and I didn't need the threads to stretch at all. But if you need some stretch to your threading, just make sure you use an elastic straight stitch, and it basically sews forward once and sews backwards twice. So it's really secure and allows for stretch. So once the sewing was done, I did my straight stitch. You saw that, and you can see the sweatshirt already looks cropped, but we have all this excess fabric hanging around, and we are not going into 2021 with any baggage. So cut off your toxic ex, your toxic friends, hell, even cut off your cat if it's being toxic. That is the point we're at right now. So I'm just cutting off the excess fabric, and I got rid of her. Actually, I'm lying. I kept her because I am going to make a tube top from this material. It's very warm and fleecy, and I I loved it. And in my last tutorial, I did show you how to make a knitted tube top kind of thing from a cardigan. So I will link that video down below in case you want to watch it and do the same with your excess fabric from this DIY. And I took my sweet time cutting. This DIY really was super easy and I was enjoying a simple DIY. So now you are going to serge the raw edge, and my material was really shedding, so I had to tame her, make sure she understood that she did not need to cross the boundaries. So I used my serger for this. If you don't have a serger, use an overlock stitch on your sewing machine. And once everything is nice and serged and all the raw edges are in prison, your sweatshirt is now ready to wear to the couch. To say I love this sweatshirt is an understatement. I love cropped hoodies, cropped sweatshirts, especially for the colder months, because I do wear very high-waisted stuff and cropped stuff under my jacket. So this is right up my alley, and I'm going to be wearing the hell out of this sweatshirt. Anyway, there you have it, guys. This is a super simple hack to crop your stuff. If you want to crop your TV, your couch, your sweatshirts, your t-shirts, you can crop them using this method, and I promise you it will turn out flawless every time. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and that I'll be seeing you in my next one. Until then, please check out Vinted. This isn't sponsored or anything, but they're just amazing and I found so many gems on there. So I will link it down below and you can check it out. People resell their stuff and you can resell your stuff. So just check it out and thank me later. Anyway, see you soon. Bye.